Hello Biculture Hub community. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Jawa 42 Bobber, a motorcycle that seamlessly blends classic bobber aesthetics with modern engineering. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the world of bobbers, this bike promises a unique experience. Let's explore its key features, performance, design, pricing, and what sets it apart in the market. Starting with the heart of the Jawa 42 Bobber, it boasts a 334cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine. This power plant delivers approximately 30 brake horsepower at 7,500 RPM and a torque of 32.74 Nm at 5,500 RPM. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox, the engine offers smooth transitions, making both city commuting and highway cruising enjoyable. The over-square design allows for higher revs, providing a spirited performance that bobber enthusiasts will appreciate. On the road, the 42 Bobber feels agile and responsive. It comfortably cruises at speeds between 100 to 110 km/h, with a top speed around 130 km/h. The slip and assist clutch ensures light operation, making traffic navigation less strenuous. However, it's worth noting that at higher RPMs, the engine can sound a bit harsh, lacking the deep, throaty note typically associated with bobbers. Design-wise, the Jawa 42 Bobber is a head-turner. It features a classic bobber silhouette with chopped fenders, a low-slung stance, and a single-seat layout, giving it an unmistakable road presence. The motorcycle is available in several striking color options, including Mystic Copper, Moonstone White, Jasper Red Dual Tone, Black Mirror, and Red Sheen. Each color adds a unique personality to the bike, allowing riders to choose one that best reflects their style. The bike's wide handlebar and repositioned foot pegs ensure a comfortable yet aggressive riding posture, in keeping with the bobber's character. The LED headlamp and retro-styled round instrument console add to the motorcycle's modern, retro aesthetic. A newly designed 12.5-liter fuel tank with rubber pads for added grip, along with chrome touches on the fenders, enhances the premium feel of the motorcycle. At 740 hm, the seat height is low enough for riders of various builds, making it easy to plant both feet on the ground when stopped. However, the 42 Bobber lacks a pillion seat, which may be a downside for those who want to carry a passenger. Overall, the Jawa 42 Bobber is an attention grabber and delivers on its promise of being a gorgeous and stylish motorcycle straight from the factory. In terms of performance, the Jawa 42 Bobber is powered by a 334cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine, which delivers 30 bhp at 7,500 RPM and 32.74 Nm of torque at 5,500 RPM. This engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, offering smooth gear transitions but requiring some work to keep the bike in its power band. The engine is over-square, meaning it revs higher than the traditional long-stroke engines found on other classic bikes, which adds to its overall performance appeal. On the road, the 42 Bobber feels quick and responsive, cruising comfortably at 100h. However, to achieve its top speed of 130 km/h, riders will need to work the gearbox diligently to keep the engine in its optimal power range. The slip and assist clutch is light, making traffic and city rides more manageable. While the engine's performance is respectable, it's worth noting that at higher RPMs, the engine sounds a bit harsh, lacking the deep, throaty note typically associated with bobbers. The riding dynamics of the Jawa 42 Bobber are impressive for a bike in its price range. The long wheelbase of 1,485 mm gives it excellent straight-level stability, while the stiffened swing arm and retuned suspension ensure the bike remains planted even during cornering. The wide, flat handlebars offer good leverage, making it easy to steer through city traffic and around tight bends. However, the ride quality over rough or broken roads leaves room for improvement. While the front forks are well damped, the rear monoshock offers a stiff ride, transmitting road imperfections to the rider, especially over speed breakers or potholes. This is an over-square engine, meaning the bore, 76 mm, is larger than the stroke, 65 mm. This allows the engine to rev higher and produce more power in the upper RPM range, making it more responsive and engaging to ride. The 6-speed gearbox is well tuned for smooth shifts, and the slip and resist clutch reduces clutch lever effort, making it easier to operate, especially in stop-and-go traffic. The fuel injection system ensures precise fuel delivery, improving throttle response and efficiency. Despite its higher revving nature, the engine is tuned to provide a linear power delivery, making it beginner-friendly while still engaging for experienced riders. However, at higher RPMs, the engine does produce noticeable vibrations, particularly around the handlebars and foot pegs. The exhaust. When it comes to braking, the 42 bobber is equipped with disc brakes on both ends, complemented by dual-channel ABS for added safety. The braking performance is adequate, providing confidence during sudden stops. The bike rides on spoked wheels which, while adding to the classic look, may require more maintenance compared to alloy wheels. The instrument cluster is a retro-styled round unit that provides essential information, including speed, fuel level, and trip details. While it aligns with the bike's vintage appeal, some riders might miss the advanced features found in more modern setups. In terms of fuel efficiency, the 42 bobber offers an average mileage of around 30 km/L, which is respectable for a bike in this segment. With a 12.5-liter fuel tank, riders can expect a decent range, making it suitable for both city commutes and short weekend rides. One of the unique selling points of the Jawa 42 bobber is its factory TUSMA appeal. Unlike many bikes that require aftermarket modifications to achieve a bobber look, the 42 bobber offers this aesthetic straight from the showroom. This not only ensures a cohesive design, but also provides peace of mind regarding build quality and warranty. In the market, the Jawa 42 bobber is priced competitively, starting at around Rs 2.06 lakh, ex-showroom Delhi. This makes it one of the most affordable bobber-style motorcycles in India, offering a perfect blend of retro design and modern features. In conclusion, the 2025 Jawa 42 bobber is a compelling choice for riders seeking a blend of classic bobber aesthetics and modern performance. Its design is both nostalgic and fresh, capturing the essence of a bygone era while incorporating contemporary elements. The performance is spirited, making it suitable for both city rides and highway cruises. While there are areas that could be improved, such as ride comfort over rough roads and engine refinement at higher RPMs, the overall package is appealing, especially considering its price point. For those who prioritize style and individuality, the Jawa 42 bobber stands out as a factory turbo motorcycle that doesn't require additional modifications to make a statement. Its unique selling proposition lies in offering the bobber experience straight from the showroom, ensuring quality and reliability. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth look at the 2025 Jawa 42 bobber. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with this bike, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and updates from Bike Culture Hub. Ride safe, and see you next time.